Hello, English learners, and welcome to another episode of my simplified English videos or series. In today's episode, we are going to talk about running in simple English. Running as in the activity of running, not as in running away from danger or running to catch a bus, but running as in waking up in the morning to run, to exercise. Or maybe you run in the afternoon or in the evening. Personally, I prefer to run in the morning, and I have a good reason for that. For me, when I go running, I prefer to be alone. I don't like seeing too many people as I'm running. Oh, hello, hi. Or I have to be careful of cars, for example, because where I live, there is a main road. So when I run, I prefer to have all the space to myself. Also, in the morning, there's a sort of morning air that I like, it's quiet as well, and the birds are singing, so there's a nice atmosphere, a nice environment for me at that time in the morning. I don't like running in the afternoon because where I live, this is the time where many people are outside. It's lunchtime. So there are people walking during their breaks. There are other people who are afternoon runners. There are cars everywhere. So it does not agree with my personal taste for running. In the evening, I don't enjoy running at all. It's the time when I feel tired. There are maybe people at the bar, at the pub. There are kids riding around on their bikes and things like that. And again, it does not agree with my taste for the morning run. The morning run for me is my sacred time. It is the perfect time for me to run. As I said, I feel like the world is mine at that time of day. It's a weird thing to say. Maybe some of you know what I'm talking about. If you do, leave a comment down below. And yeah, some of you might also have heard the word jogging to refer to this activity of running for exercise. They are actually two different verbs. So to run can mean anything, right? You could be running as fast as you can, or you could be running quite slowly. But on the other hand, a jog usually means like a slower run. Yeah. So when you jog, you're not going very fast. It's a controlled pace. It's comfortable. You can do that slowly. And jogging is also the name of the exercise. Yeah, to go jogging. But some people also call it to go running. So if you're talking about the exercise activity, you can say running or jogging. In most cases, people will understand it as the same thing. So, what other exercises do you guys like to do? Maybe I'll talk about more exercises I like to do in a future episode. However, at this point in time, I'm really enjoying my morning runs. I don't always manage to wake up on time for my morning run. I like to try and wake up at 6 a.m. to run. But sometimes I wake up and I lie in my bed saying, okay, and I need to wake up. In 5 minutes, I'll wake up. And then I lie in bed doing nothing for half an hour, for 30 minutes. And I lose the advantage of the morning that I so really enjoy in the morning run. But, I'm getting better. I'm getting better at it. Again, if you guys have any tips, any advice you would like to give me so I can improve my chances of succeeding with my morning run, leave a comment below. And yes, I think that will do for today's episode. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, share it with all of your English learning friends who need some daily listening practice, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.